Here's the exact prompt structure I use to get Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini to write like an expert instead of spitting out generic AI slop. It's called role and context stacking, and once you see it, you'll never write a lazy one-line prompt again. Most people type something like "write me a marketing email" and wonder why the output sounds like every other AI-generated email on the internet. The problem isn't the AI. It's that you gave it almost nothing to work with. A blank prompt gets a generic answer, every time. Here's the fix, broken into 4 moves. Move 1. Assign a role. Instead of "write me a marketing email," try "you are a direct response copywriter who's written for Apple and Nike." That single sentence changes the vocabulary, tone, and structure of everything that follows. The model isn't guessing who it's writing as anymore. Move 2. Give it real context. Tell it who the audience is, what the goal is, and what's already been tried. This email is going to small business owners who've abandoned their cart. We've already sent one reminder that got a 2% open rate. Now the AI isn't writing in a vacuum. It's solving your actual problem. Move 3. Show it an example. This is the one almost nobody uses, and it's the highest leverage move on this list. Paste in one example of writing you like, even if it's not related to your topic, and say match this tone and structure. AI models are exceptional at pattern matching. Give them a pattern. Move 4. Define the output format. Do you want 3 bullet points or 5 paragraphs? A table or a script? Say so explicitly. Format this as a 30-second video script with scene directions in brackets. Without this, the model guesses, and it usually guesses wrong. Here's what this looks like stacked together in one prompt. You are a direct response copywriter. Write a cart abandonment email for small business owners who didn't respond to a first reminder. Match the tone of this example, paste example. Format it as 3 short paragraphs with a single clear call to action. That one prompt will consistently outperform 10 one-line attempts, because you removed the guesswork instead of hoping the model reads your mind. One more thing worth knowing, this works across every major model. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, they all respond to the same 4 moves because they're all trained to fill in gaps you leave open. The gaps are the problem. Close them, and the output quality jumps immediately, no paid plugin or special access required. If you want the exact prompt templates I use for scripts, thumbnails, and outlines, I'm dropping those in a follow-up video. Subscribe if you want AI workflows broken down like this every week, no fluff, just what actually moves the needle.